Greasy with the naan. For tonight's dinner, Schlarraffenland is going to show you how to make an absolutely yummy, beloved dish from Indonesia, the famous Nasi Goreng. This is the national fried rice of Indonesia, carrying the classic umami and tempting flavors of the special Indonesian sweet soy sauce with balachaw. Are you curious how good this fried rice can be? That it makes an entire nation, nay, region, falls in love with it. Then, what are you waiting for? Let's roll into the kitchen and make your very own Nasi Goreng with us. First, you have to start with making the Indonesian sweet soy sauce. It's super easy to make, we promise. All you need to do is combine 120 milliliter of soy sauce with 8 tablespoons of brown sugar and cook them on low heat until it thickens. Just like we do here. Once it's thickened, you can remove the sauce from the heat and have your very own homemade Indonesian sweet soy sauce. Next, we'll prepare our aromatics. Mince well 1 red onion. Now, it's time to take out your trusted mortar and pestle. If you don't have a set of pestle and mortar, or they're too small like ours, shame on you, and shame on us. Now, like us, you can use a food processor instead. But no, we'll keep shaming you until you get yourself a decent set of pestle and mortar. Now, in the mortar or food processor, put the minced onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 chilies, 1 teaspoon of balachaw, and crush them all into a paste. Balachaw is a special Asian shrimp paste. Of course, we know not all of you are Asians, and this channel doesn't discriminate as long as you love good food. So if you cannot find balachaw, you can substitute it with dried anchovies or miso paste. Now, once done with the pounding, you can move on to prepare your protein. Slice 200 grams of chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces. You can use any protein of your choice. It doesn't have to be chicken. When it is all sliced up, you can move on to its children, the eggs. In a bowl, beat 3 large eggs. We're gonna let the chicken family reunite in the pan later. Now, take out your pan, or better yet, your wok, and heat up some oil. Add the paste that you pounded earlier and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add your chicken and stir fry it for 2 to 3 minutes till the chicken starts forming into shape. Then you can add 3 tablespoons of the sweet soy sauce that you made earlier. Keep on stir frying everything for another 2 to 3 minutes so everything is coated evenly with a beautiful flavor of sweet soy sauce. Now, let's pour in the egg and cook it till it's set. Finally, you can add the rice in, along with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and pepper to taste. Keep stir frying for another 2 to 3 minutes until everything is cooked. Nasi Goreng is typically served with a sunny side up egg on top, and more egg is always better. So let's make a sunny side up. If you want to be even fancier, you can add some prawn crackers to the dish as well. Simply fry up some prawn crackers with a lot of oils until they're all crispy. And voila, there you have it, your very own Nasi Goreng with a sunny side up on top and prawn cracker on the sides to scoop up all the delicious rice. Give it a try and tell us in the comments if you like it or not. But who are we kidding? It's fried rice. Everybody loves fried rice. Fried rice brings everyone together under its divine balance between sweet, savory, umami, fatty, and fryiness. I mean, that's the beautiful thing about food. Sharing food brings people together in happiness. So if you want to be the next contender for the Nobel Peace Prize, then we recommend that you like and subscribe to our channel for more war-uniting recipes. And now, all that's left is, anh Weta, bon appetit, itadakimasu, mời cả nhà ăn cơm, and dig in.